GS Mallappa, Sadashiv Gundal, my father's office. Yet nobody is here. We are before time यहाँ पे, before time. कोई भी नहीं है, पूरा office हमारा है भाई. So we gave a small visit to his office because it's his last day here and it's a site office here. So we are at where? Where are we are? We are at Bhinder, Mira Bhinder right now. And it's Jai Kumar office, I guess. Jai Kumar MMRD. He is the, I don't know what post he holds here, but something. Yeah, he does flyover and all. So the whole stretch of Mira Bhinder, it was in his handle. So now he is going to get transferred. So he's going to get transferred to Thane from here. Like tata bye bye to this thing. We'll visit there. Milte hain.
हॉस्टेल ढाबा छावणीला ना गाडी गरम हो जाएगा.
Oh my god! सांगायचं कपडे पण आणलं असतं.
हाँ घुमा के ले जाना.
Welcome back to my channel and hi guys, this is me Kanchan and welcome back to the mini vlog of today's. And आप देख ही सकते हो कि मैं कहाँ हूँ. मैं अभी बीच पे हूँ and I am at Gorai beach right now and it's near Uttan मीरा भाईंदर के पास में. So मैं सुबह निकली थी by 8 o'clock and now I have reached here some by 11 o'clock right now, 11:15 or 11. So 15 minutes already have been. I hope you guys are able to hear me just because the waves are sounding more louder than my voice. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's amazing, pretty, but it's quite sunny here. And from my house, it's 60 kilometers till Gorai beach. So it took around 2 hours to reach here. But we didn't get to know like how 2 hours actually passed. And from here, Juhu beach is around 40 kilometers. यहाँ पे बहुत सारा मतलब chairs and you can sit and have fun, have dinner, have whatever you want. So अभी हम लोग खाने वाले हैं क्योंकि हम लोग just अभी पहुँचे and I didn't had my breakfast in the morning. Still my energy is like too much. So हम कुछ खाएंगे और देखते क्या ही मज़ा आने वाला है. मिलते हैं खाने के बाद. Bye. Yeah. This water looks muddy and that look like it's grey. It's grey or black, I don't know. I guess that this is that is a clean water and this is a muddy water. But look na how the shade is giving. Like ऊपर blue, फिर dark blue, फिर suddenly muddy. क्यों भाई? क्यों? लोग सब फोटो निकालने में बिजी भाई. हम व्लॉग कर रहे हैं, व्लॉग शूट कर रहे हैं. देखो हमें कितना काम है. फोटो शूट हो रहा है, सेंसर करना पड़ेगा. तो वाओ अमेजिंग. प्लीज़ रुका. तो हम लोग ने कुछ मंगाया था खाने के लिए एंड वी हैड सम तंदूरी एंड ऑल. वी हैड इट राइट नाउ एंड वी वर थिंकिंग टू गो टू द बीच बिकॉज हियर इज़ द रेस्टोरेंट एंड we didn't see the beach very properly. So now I'm shooting just because to show you. थोड़ी देर पहले I told you like there was color change and see how the water is. Okay, you can see that the water is fully mudded now, the whole patch is mudded. Last time the whole water was like bluish and muddish, right? Now the whole layer went like mud. I don't know what's the logic behind that, but yeah, let's go. Let's see the beach from here right now. So chalte. सो अगर आपको यहाँ पे आना है टू द गोराई बीच, यू कैन कम बाय रोड फ्रॉम घोड़बंदर टू उत्तन, देन उत्तन टू गोराई बीच, और या फिर यू हैव टू कम फ्रॉम बोरीवली, ऑल ओवर फ्रॉम बोरीवली बाय द ट्रेन। दैन ट्रेन वहाँ से आई गेस कुछ ऑटो रिक्शा या फिर टैक्सी मिलता है टिल गोराई बीच, एंड देन यू कैन ट्रैवल। बट टुडे वी केम बाय द कार, सो हमको जितना लगा नहीं, सो वी केम बाय रोड फ्रॉम ठाणे। तो यहीं से अभी निकल रहे हैं हम लोग गोराई बीच के लिए। वी केम टू द होटल, आई डोंट नो या रेस्टोरेंट से हम लोग जा रहे हैं गोराई बीच। चलते हैं फिर वहीं पे। सो गाइस हम लोग फाइनली बीच पे आ गए हैं, एंड इट्स सो गुड, सो गुड। जस्ट लुक एट हियर। तो आई हैव टू रिमूव माय शूज बिकॉज इट्स ऑल गीला 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 हियर, एंड लुक एट दैट, वाओ, सुपर अमेजिंग, सुपर अमेजिंग। तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं, देयर इज नो, इट्स नॉट सनी हियर। So guys, right now I am at Gorai Beach and you can see the scene. It's so amazing and it's amazing. Like I can't express my feelings. Just see the scene behind me. It feels like I am in Goa. Come on, dude. You should come here and enjoy your weekend with your family and have fun. Peaceful. It's nature. It's beach. मेरा बहुत मन था. To be honest, I just wanted to go and swim into the sea, but I don't because I don't have the clothes to wear back. So थोड़ा मस्ती मजाक करते, तो मिलते थोड़े देर बाद।
Fish finger, fish goli wala, fish.
So guys, right now we are at GCC restaurant in Kutte restaurant. It's at Bahadar, and we have ordered our food right now, and it's going to take a lot of time, and I'm very very freaking hungry and down to energy. So let's see when our order would come. So we got Morag Musallam with naan, butter naan, and my mom got a basa fish platter, and we're gonna have it. It's gonna be delicious, I guess. It's nice. Tasty. तो जस्ट अभी हम लोग का खाना खा के हो चुका है, एंड दिस इज द GCC club over here in Mira Bahadar. It was amazing, a 4-star hotel and very luxurious, and it was nice after a really long time because I guess मैं 2 साल बाद रेस्टोरेंट आई हूँ खाने के लिए, I guess with my own family. निकलते हैं घर के लिए। Finally home. Back to home. Damn it.
Closing ceremony.
What is up? Finally I'm home. It was amazing day out with my parents, my brother, and it was good at the beach, and I just really loved the day and the beach day out today. So if you guys want to visit Gorai Beach, please do, because it's best day out with your friends and family, especially for the weekends. It's kind of clean, but you know, what I saw there was kind of clean. Good food, like you'll find chicken and all, not much of fish. I recommend you to go to the Gorai Beach and have fun with your friends, because going to the Goa is better like going here just for one day. It's good for the one day, not for the stay purpose. मेरा vlog यही ख़त्म हो चुका है. I hope you guys have love this vlog, and I have been enthusiastic during whole video. I hope you guys like this video, so please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Please do not leave my video without hitting the bell icon, and please do comment which part you like the most and what was you thought was amazing in this mini vlog of Gorai Beach. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अभी के लिए मुझे कहना पड़ेगा अलविदा. So bye.